to add the text to our graphic, it's going to depend on how you created your graphic. If you created it digitally, you don't have to do this step, but if you did it on paper and with pencil, colored pencils or paint or whatever, and took a photo, you're probably going to need to do a little bit of image editing before we add the text. So I'm going to do two parts to this. The first one is doing a little bit of image editing using an app called Pixlr.com. It's linked on Google Classroom, but you could search it up too. I'm going to use the advanced Pixlr E, and what I'm going to do is click Open Image. I have the image that I took a photo of here, and this is actually someone from our class. So this student, and then you may have also done this, also did the text around here, but we don't need any of that. We're going to lay that text out digitally. We're just going to keep the main image here. So the first thing I'm going to do is crop this picture so that I just have the graphic part and get rid of the outside text here. So cropping, and like that. If I hit the enter key, that should be sufficient. And notice that it's kind of dark and kind of yellow. So I'm going to go up to image, and I'm going to actually, in this situation, I'm going to desaturate because this is a black and white image. You may not need this step if your picture is not black and white. Desaturate will take out all the color. So watch what happens. See how it's black and white and gray? So you don't need that step if your picture is not black and white, but I needed to get rid of that yellowish tone to it. Now I'm going to do a brightness contrast, and I can move this window over here, and I want to really amp up the brightness here, but I'm also going to need to bring up the contrast. So the idea is that we kind of get rid of that haziness. It's okay that we see the colored pencil marks. I think that's actually kind of nice. So I can kind of tweak this to whatever I think looks good. Once I finish that, I can hit OK. And what I'm going to do now is get rid of the background by using my magic wand. And I think I have to unlock this layer here. Unlock. And then I'm going to hit the delete key. So the delete key lets me get rid of the background and make it transparent. I'm going to do that same thing in the underarms here. And you guys will notice that there's a little bit up in the corner. I'm just going to use my eraser tool for that part. And now I have a clean image that I can use for my poster with the text. So I'm going to go ahead and save this now. So I'm going to click Save. I want to save it as a PNG because a PNG will keep the transparent background. And hit download. So now I'm downloading this picture. And that's it. All right, and now I'm ready to do my text layout, which I will do in a separate video.